Pete Gustus here with the smallbusinessresourcecenter.com. Wanted to share a very important update. Due to the coronavirus pandemic, of course, the DMVs across the state of Pennsylvania have been closed. That seems like it was going to create a lot of problems for people if your driver's license was expiring or you need to renew it. Some people, as far as registrations, if you wanted to get a real ID, of course, they extended the real ID deadline to 2021 now. So that's a good thing. But the positive change that the DMV has made is they expanded their online services. So if you need a driver's license, you need to renew a driver's license, get your driver's license. They usually had title and registration. The online services are expanded. So of course it's dmv.pa.gov. I'm not really sure about other states. I'm in Pennsylvania, so sorry about you other folks. If you need any help, check it out. But when you go to the online services, you can see get a real ID, your duplicate registration, license and ID services, proof of insurance, plate availability, pay your county fees, request your driver's history, restoration, retired registration rate, and vehicle services. So very, very simple. If you need services that you could not get before online with the Pennsylvania DMV, now you can. The website, once again, is dmv.pa.gov. Check it out. And if this helped you out, smash a like button. If you need help, hit the subscribe. It's somewhere in the corner, somewhere. And share the video with a friend. Have a great day.